Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking down essentials: platform, protocol, and backend. Once chosen, initialize your project scaffold and install SDKs. This saves hours later. Connect a simple local camera feed to the client using the chosen SDK to verify device permissions and frame capture. Next, implement a minimal RTMP ingest or test with a managed ingest endpoint so you confirm network reachability. Make sure to log bitrate and latency now so you have baseline metrics for later tuning. You now build the core: capture, encode, and transport. Start by wiring camera and mic captures into a hardware encoder to reduce CPU load. Choose bitrate presets and a GOP aligned with your target resolution. Once encoded, stream to your ingest server via RTMP or negotiate a WebRTC peer connection for low latency. Integrate retry logic and exponential backoff for transient network errors. As you assemble these pieces, measure end-to-end latency and memory use so you can iterate on encoder settings and buffer sizes. You finish by adding playback, security, and monitoring. Implement an HLS or dash manifest generator or route WebRTC to players for low-latency viewers. Enable ABR to adapt to network changes. Secure ingest and playback with token-based auth and signed URLs to prevent abuse. Deploy logging and metrics: bitrate, dropped frames, reconnects, and set alerts. If playback stalls, check encoder bitrate vs available bandwidth first. If needed, force a lower resolution keyframe and renegotiate bitrate to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.